3 things to do if you were denied for a loan. Just 3 simple things to do if you were ever denied or recently denied for a loan. What up? You got Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this brief video, I want to give you 3 things that you should consider if you were denied for a loan. And I say they're simple. It may take some time, it may take some work, it may even take you getting some type of assistance or help. And you know, for that very reason, we've made a free credit class available down below if you want to take advantage of that and see if there's something in there that will help you benefit from what we're about to share right now, which I'm sure that it will. Or if you would like our assistance, then just reach out. But what are those 3 things that you can do if you were ever denied for a loan? First thing first, find out why it is specifically you were denied altogether. Sometimes we assume the reason we were denied was this, but in all actuality, it was that. So it'd be good to know exactly why you were denied, so now you can know what you need to do on your end in order to heighten the chances of you being approved going forward, especially if it's something that you really want to get approved for, such as a home or vehicle, or just something personal or business related that you're trying to borrow money for. So first thing first is finding out the specific reason to why you were denied in the first place. Number 2 is getting those negatives and, you know, erroneous remarks removed off of your credit report altogether. Why is that important? Because it's maybe some things that are on your report that are hindering you from getting approved for certain things, and a lot of those things are inaccurate, which is reflecting as a negative remark on your report. So if you go about the process of getting it removed, whether that be disputing, whether that be in getting it updated from negative to positive, whether that be hopping on the phone, whether that be sending out letters, whatever you have to do in order to get some of those negative things removed from your report, what it does is heighten your chances of getting your approval the next time around. So now you can say, hey, I cleaned this and that up. You know, now can you see if I'm able to qualify for this particular loan? So just understand that. And then in that case, you may qualify for even better terms because now you've cleaned up your score a little bit and you have a better understanding of what got you denied in the first place. So that's number 1. And 2, last but certainly not least, is increase your score. Of course, you can increase your score by getting certain negatives deleted, as we just mentioned. However, you can also increase your score by building good credit, making good payments, and doing certain things that we advise you to do, as well as you may already be astute to. They help you build good positive score, because part of your score is based on your history. The other part of your score is based on what you're currently doing and will futuristically do, basically, which leads to your most recent 2 years. So if you understand all of the factors that go into your score, building good credit is great because it helps you holistically. Now, in addition to building good credit, I will throw this in, and this is kind of more of a bonus. Make sure you pay attention to your DTI. What is your DTI? Your DTI is your debt to income ratio. If a lender notices that your debt to income is out of whack in their head, meaning that you owe more debt than you have income that can actually justify the debt that you owe, or it looks like it may be a struggle to pay out those debts, then there's grounds for denial. So make sure that your debt to income is not so out of whack. If so, let's get some of that debt down or increase your income, and that helps overall. That's all I got. Hope that helps. Mr. Smith signing out.